Alright, here we are for the build video on the ACPE mentoring mini badge, which as you can see has a nod to our past with the chips. You're going to want yourself a pair of tweezers if you got them, because these components can be rather small. In your kit should be a little LED in here. I went with 1206 sized green LEDs. The nice thing about that is that when the 3 volts gets to it, you don't necessarily need to step it down. So you'll see there's a clear film on here. You just got to peel that out and dump it out. Okay. All right. So you'll see on the back of this, and you probably can't see because the camera probably can't focus at such a distance. Let's see if I give it a background, if that will help. See? Can't see. All right. Well, there's a line with a rectangle coming off of it. It should match the arrow so that it's pointing in the direction. So the line will be on the positive side, and the little arrow will be pointing toward the negative side. Okay. I've got some extra fine solder for this stuff at 0.5 millimeters. You can use bigger stuff, just have to be more careful. So I'm going to put a little solder on one pad on one side first, and position my component into it to hold it still. And once that's there, I can solder the other side. Now the great thing about the green LED is certain colors use different demands. It already likes 3 volts, so I actually don't need a resistor. If I want full strength, I can just bridge this together, and you can put a wire between these two. I'm just going to put in enough solder. I'm going to grab my larger solder here to connect the two together. So now that I've bridged those two together, the voltage should flow directly from the positive through the diode to the negative, and it'll light up at full strength. Now, if you really wanted to, you could flip this on its side to light the tree up a little bit better. So I'm going to go do that now because I want to. All right. Now that you have the diode installed and the resistor bridged, I'm going to use a Minibadge assembly here to put some legs in. All right. So let's solder that up. All right, and if you did everything correctly, when you plug it in, it'll light up. And if it gets dark, you can see the tree kind of glow. And hopefully, it would work a little bit better if you turn that LED sideways. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy your kit build.